Once upon a time, a wolf was lapping water from a spring on a hillside. While he was lapping the water, he saw a lamb down the hill. Then the wolf said to himself, "Now that is my supper, if I only can find an excuse for it." The wolf called out, saying, "How dare you muddle the water from which I drank?" The lamb said, "My master, I am sorry, but I am down the hill and the water is coming down from you to me." The wolf then said, "Why did you call me by bad names last year?" The lamb responded, "That cannot be possible because I am only 6 months old." The wolf then said, "I don't care. If it was not you, it was your father." The wolf ran down the hill and ate the lamb. Before the lamb dies, he gasped out, "Any excuse will serve a tyrant." The moral of the lesson is, tyranny doesn't need any excuse to be tyrant. Sometimes they come up with any excuse to kill people, to torture people, and to show their dominance and control over people in an unjust and unfair way. Thank you very much.